Hi all, I'm Rajesh Kanna. This is my YouTube channel Python step by step tutorial by Kanna. I got multiple requests to post videos in Python topic wise. Means if any unknown person to the Python means he is a beginner to the Python, he has no coding knowledge, then this is the best channel for you to learn Python coding, because at the beginner level you should have basics perfectly. For that purpose only I am adding all the videos topic wise. Please watch all the videos in order, means session 1, session 2, session 3, like that. Please do not skip any order, because if you do to watch randomly, definitely you will not understand the videos. Please subscribe this channel and watch all the videos. Definitely it is very much easy for you to gain the job also. Thank you. Please keep watching.